So what is healthy skin? You know, that's a question that was asked by the most famous dermatologist in the world, Dr. Zain Obagi. I've been very, very fortunate to have a close association with him, and I've represented him and learned from him ever since the early 90s. And because of him, because of his work, I was able to travel around the world teaching people his techniques combined with my techniques and learning from surgeons and dermatologists around the world. So skin for me is an incredibly important thing. It's what I enjoy doing. It's one of the things I enjoy the most because skin has incredible power. You know, you can make someone's nose look good and nobody's going to really notice sometimes, but if you have healthy skin, you walk into a room and you turn heads. People notice healthy skin, and they're not afraid to ask you how you did it. If they see you glowing, they're going to want to know, how did you do that, and where can I go to get the same thing? So I spend a lot of time with my patients, even if they're coming for a facelift or a tummy tuck, and I always address their skin because it is that important. I've been very lucky, as I said, to know Dr. Zain Obagi, and he appointed me or asked me to participate in his very exclusive ZO faculty. So the ZO system, which ZO stands for Zain Obagi, has a group of professional physicians from around the world, and I was one of the first ones that was invited to be part of that faculty, and I enjoy that. The older Obagi system, by the way, called Obagi, is not what Dr. Obagi recommends now. That is an older system, and he sold that company. That company has since changed the formulations a bit. It's not the same system, and he has devoted all of his energy to developing new products, better products, under the ZO label. So please don't be fooled by the Obagi name. Obagi is the old system, ZO is the new system that works better. Now let's talk about what that means. When you combine great skin therapy with the proper procedures such as chemical peels or lasers or PRP or even fat, when you combine those, it's sort of like making a beautiful dish. You take little bits, little different ingredients, and you put them together to create something that is much bigger and better than the original ingredient itself. So when you walk into a room, as I said before, you will turn heads. So I love doing that for you, and I welcome the opportunity to have the chance.